It can't be conducted at this place. Yes, it can be conducted here. Remain with me for 10 days. I will stay here for 10 days. But is it possible? This is a public place, a school. Unless the schools, all activities are closed, how can you work here? Igatpuri is not far, just 3 hours journey, and come and stay there for 10 days in a calm, congenial atmosphere where you can work much better. चंद्र स्वर और सूर्य स्वर क्या है? उसका सांस मन किस तरह की शांति आ सकती है? भाई चंद्र स्वर हो चाहे सूर्य स्वर हो, उसे देखना आ जाएगा तो देखेंगे बड़ी शांति आने लगी। अन्यथा चाहे जैसा स्वर चलता हो, हम तो उसी तरह प्रतिक्रिया करते हैं, क्रोध जगाते हैं, भय जगाते हैं, ईर्ष्या जगाते हैं। तो न चंद्र स्वर काम आया न सूर्य स्वर काम आया, और उसको देखना सीख गए तो दोनों काम आ गए। देखना सीखना है। क्या बच्चों को भी ये साधना सीखने के लिए 10 दिन रहना होगा? क्या बच्चों को ये साधना सिखाना आसान है? नहीं, बच्चों को 10 दिन नहीं सिखाते। आरंभ केवल सांस का काम से करते हैं और 3 दिनों का शिविर लगाते हैं। इगतपुरी में बच्चों के लिए छुट्टियों के दिनों में 3-3 दिन के शिविर होते हैं, उसमें बच्चे आ सकते हैं और उसके बाद घर जाकर वो सांस का ही काम करेंगे। कुछ और बड़े हो जाएंगे तब उनको और गहराई से सिखाना शुरू कर देंगे। Would you please give some idea what one has to do for 10 days and where we have to spend or go to attend these 10 days? There is a meditation center by the name of Dhammagiri in Igatpuri, about 80 miles from here, 3 hours drive from here. You have to come there and stay there day and night. There are certain codes of discipline. You have to abide by all those codes, niyams. The whole atmosphere is such that you can meditate very calmly, easily, without disturbances. For the first 3 days, you will be taught how to observe your natural respiration. From the 4th day onward, you will start observing the reality within yourself. That means the reality of mind and matter, the interconnection between mind and matter, the interaction of the mind and matter, how one influences the other, how one reacts with the other, the influence of other, the reaction of other, the current, the undercurrent, and how you become agitated because of all that. If you start observing it, then you stop reaction, you just observe it, and you are coming out of this mad habit of reacting, and the life will be full of action. Whenever you react, it is full of negativity. You make yourself unhappy, you make others unhappy.